Here we have another question. The equation of line L1 is 2y plus 3x plus 4, which is equals to 0. And line L2 is a line perpendicular to line L1 and passes through two coordinate x, which is 2, and coordinate y, which is -3. Find the equation of L2 in the form ax plus by is equals to c, where a, b, and c are constant. Now here, we have line L1 which is full. We can change this equation to get the gradient of line L1. And remember, we have been told that L1 and L2 are perpendicular to one another. If two lines are perpendicular to one another, the product of their gradient is -1. Now let us come to solve this equation using the solution here. Now, line L1 is equivalent to 2y plus 3x plus 4. Now y is equals to mx plus c. We need to change this equation to be in this form. Now 2y is equals to -3x minus 4. Now we need to bring this 3x to this other side. Now we will have 2y is equals to -3x minus 4. We have brought the 3x to the other side and the 4 to the other side. Now we will have y is equals to -3 over 2. Because we divide both sides by 2, we get -3 over 2x minus this 2 divided by 4 is -2. Now if two lines are perpendicular to one another, the product of their gradient is -1. Now since we have L1, the gradient of L1 is -3 over 2, we can get the gradient of line L2. Because if we multiply the gradient of line L1, which is -3 over 2, times the gradient of line L2, which is we have given is G2, the product should be -1. Now, L2 gradient G2 is equals to, remember we cross multiply, -1 times this 2 we multiply to the upper side, and the -3 we bring it to the lower side. Now we'll have the gradient of line L2 is -2 over -3, which give us 2 over 3. Now this is the gradient of line 2. If we have the gradient of line 2 and we are being told that this line also passes through this coordinate, now we come to get the equation of line L2. Remember, L2 passes through coordinate 2, -3, and the gradient is 2 over 3. Now, gradient is equals to change in y over change in x. We will have an hypothetical coordinate, which is x, y, along that line L2, and we'll have this coordinate. Now, gradient is equals to change in y over change in x. Now, y minus this 3 over x minus 2. Now, we'll have y minus 3 over x minus 2 is equals to this gradient. Now, here we cross multiply. This 3 we multiply to this side, and this x minus 2 we multiply on this side. Now, if 3 we multiply on this side, it is 3 into bracket y plus 3 is equals to this one multiplied by this has 2 x minus 2. Now 3 times y plus 3, we open this bracket, it is 3y plus 9 is equals to, open this bracket, 2x minus 2 times 2 is 4. Now we'll have 3y minus this 2x, we bring it to the other side, it will become minus 3y minus 2x is equals to 9, we bring to the other side, minus 4 minus 9, it is minus 13. Now 3y minus 2x is equals to minus 13 is the same as if we bring this to the other side, or rather we can multiply both sides by -1. If we multiply both sides by -1, here we'll have 13, and here we'll have minus 3y plus 2x. Now we change the equation. Now we'll have 13 is equals to 2x minus 3y. Or rather, we can bring this to this side and the whole of this equation to the other side. Now we'll have 13 is equals to 2x minus 3y. Now our equation in form of ax plus by is equals to c will be given as 2x minus 3y is equals to 13. That is how we solve two lines which are perpendicular. Remember, the trick in this question was that a student should know that if two lines are perpendicular to one another, you should know the product of their gradient is -1. That was where the trick was. If you don't know that, you miss the whole question. Now, Remember, to master this, you need to do more and more practice, since practice makes perfect. Remember to subscribe on the subscription button below for this video, so that you can get more and more video of different questions which you can get in the exam. Thank you.